Hey everybody, I am going to do a little simple screen recording for you here. It is going to show you how to do screen capture on Linux Ubuntu. I was asked what version I was on for a different video I was doing, so I just go in here to Terminal. Easiest way to pull up Terminal, which I didn't know, was Control-Alt-T. And then I just type in LSB underline released space -A, and I'm in Ubuntu 20.04. It is slick as can be. And while I'm in here, one of the things to make this program work right before you start is to type in this little thing, PACTL space load negative module space module negative loopback space latency underline MSEC equals 1. Hit enter, boom. When you're done with the recording, you're probably going to want to be able to type this in. PACTL space unload negative module space module negative loopback. And that turns off the mic loopback. I won't do that right now because you won't be able to hear a bloody thing I'm saying. I saw some videos on YouTube for how to install this program. And I have to tell you that there's a couple things that just aren't up to date with this Ubuntu 20.04 as far as how it works. You can go right into the software of the machine, and you can add it from here. I just type in SSR, and sure enough, look at that, it's right in here. I've already installed it because I'm using it right now. It does have 4 stars. Rock and roll. I'm going to start up another instance so you can see. And I'm just going to do a new window here. Now if you want to start SSR a really fast way, I like to go up and hit the activities button and then start to type SS. Oh, look at that, it shows right there, SSR. And then that's here. But we want to start a new window so you can see all the magic. Hit continue. I'm just going to like this one down here. This is our actual recording window down here. I have a couple presets. The follow cursor one, you really have to be careful that one because it just like, I don't know, kind of makes me nauseous a little bit. I'll have to work with that. Full screen is my preferred when I'm doing a demo like this. And then the last one I really like is region. You can actually pick your region that you want to do it on. You click this record a fixed one and you can make a rectangle, get it all ready to go. Next part I messed up on was down here. You definitely want it to be on monitor of built-in audio analog stereo. And then this is where you want to hit the Control-Alt-T and then do your magic, reduce the latency to get the sound back in your headphones while you're doing your recording. Works like a dream. The next page is much easier. I do a YouTube profile. Obviously these are going on YouTube. My container, I'm using an MP4 now. If I'm doing personal stuff or it's going to go on different media, I actually do the MKV, but right now MP4. I go between the Vorbis codec and the MP3. MP3 I just think is universal, just less hassles. Then you can go to here. I have mine set for a control, enable the hotkey up here, so I have Control R when I want to start and stop. And then you can actually do the preview here and see how you're doing. You can see your mic levels and everything else. Look at that, I'm not even clipping yet. Not bad. Let's see what it's going to look like. Let's go back. I don't think I talked about a really important piece here. See where this is save as? This browse. People, let's be clean with our video, shall we? If this is Linux, put it in your video folder and then put it in the proper thing. So, you know, if I go into demos, I don't have any demos right now, MK4s, other than the one I'm working on right now. Make sure you use a good terminology. As far as like here, I'd probably do, this would be like demo 4. And I'd rechange that. And I do all those for me. You know, the This is my terminology. When I save it out to YouTube, it'll have all kinds of different things. The other thing here is the allow frame skipping. Click that one. I have yet to see a difference that anyone will ever notice that you skip some frames. And then when you're all done, make sure you save it. You click the save button, it saves the file. Everything as slick as can be. Alright, YouTube fans, it's been real. If you have questions, hit me up. Have a great weekend or a great week, or just have a great day.